check out this 70s luxury here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III. Original mile car, just a little over 32,000 miles on this one. 460 V8 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. C6 automatic transmission paired up with that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome. The iconic Lincoln grille. White paint, gold pinstriped. Burgundy leather interior. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car from the inside out, every angle, undersides, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see how straight these panels are, and those are some long body panels. If they had imperfections in them, it would definitely show. Black vinyl top. I do believe the vinyl tops were standard in 1970 on these Lincolns. Mark III's anyway. There's that burgundy leather interior, split bench up the seat up front. Of course, all the luxury features with this car being the competitor to the Eldorado by Cadillac. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome looking great on the rear bumper also. Now, some other things that are going to come with this car, pretty cool. Owner's manuals are included with it, as well as the owner card and the warranty cards, which you don't see those still with the vehicles as often as you'd like to. But check out the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. I have them pictured up in there. Over 100 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side. And again, look at those long panels. This car would be so fun to take down the road. What a cruiser. Fun one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Just to be able to take out and take for a drive. Cool part of the past. 70 luxury. Of course, all the power amenities that you're going to get in the Lincoln Mark III in 1970. Let's take a look at the seat. You can see not a lot of wear considering the age of that seat. A little bit in the bolster here. There's also some miscellaneous receipts that will go along with this. And those have mile recordings on them from anywhere from, what was it, about 19,000 and then up to where it's at now. We're going to check that out in just a second. When I start it up, let's hear it run. First, take a peek at the headliner. Be able to see the rear seat and the still pictures. Also in great shape. Let's fire this up. Have had the radio working. Still a stock radio right here. Of course, you would have had the Cartier clock. Does not look like that is working at the moment. There's your exact miles, 32,533. It is original. Take a look at the top of the dash. Pretty cool up here. Warning lights, seat belts, door ajar, headlamps, and trunk open. As far as the headlamp doors, I did have them open. They need a little bit of assistance going up. Headlights and everything work, high and low beams, and when they close up fine. Just need a little assistance going up. Would assume that those are still vacuum. There you can hear it run. I guess what you should expect out of a 1970 460. Sounds pretty stock. Let's go ahead and get this hood popped. It's going to take me both hands. Let me pause this a moment and be right back. Check out that engine bay to wrap this video up. Get a peek underneath the hood. And here it is. That 460 V8. paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Battery disconnect here, haven't stored it all. Keep that battery up, just switch that off. Good looking engine bay, again looks very stock. Check out those still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about with the owner's manual, the owner's card, warranty cards, underside pics. Over 100 pictures of this car online. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1970 Lincoln Continental. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry. We do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a nice red interior, a white exterior. Car appears in very good shape. It says 32,000 miles on the odometer. Let's get her up to speed. Good running car. Acceleration is good. Our oil pressure is showing about 2/3 of the gauge. The alternator appears to be charging. Temperature is at 1/4 of the gauge. Fuel is showing E right now. We're doing 55 miles an hour. It's nice and smooth. I don't have any shakes from the tires or suspension. Feels as it should on the highway. Nice and straight going down the road. It's not pulling to the side or anything like that. Easy to drive, automatic on the column. Power windows everywhere. Let's go around the corner here and get up to speed one more time. Check this Lincoln Continental out at UniqueClassicCars.com.